Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings. On the application of DuckDuckGo, you will click on settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about DuckDuckGo app and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.